all, see what we need for the glue. So ingredients are here in front of you. 1 cup of refined flour, which is maida, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and 2 cups of water. Water, I have measured it from this tool. Okay, 1 cup. Let's see how I'll make it. We will take one vessel like this, okay, and this whisker will just like this on it. After that, we will add 1 cup of maida to it, okay, yes, and 1/4 cup of sugar, okay, and we will add some water to it. Water we will add slowly, half glass of it, okay, and now we will whisk it like this. Let me whisk it. We have added 2 cups of water to it, and this, and see the consistency. It is like a water consistency, and we will add vinegar to it, okay, yes. Now mix it, okay, and it is ready to cook, okay. So I'll switch on the flame now. Actually, I'll make it on induction, okay. Wait, let's put this vessel on induction and switch on the induction and see. We'll cook it on slow. I have put it on 300, okay. Now it's time to keep on continuously moving it, right? Otherwise it will stick on the base. Now keep stirring it, okay, and it is, you can see it is getting thicker slowly. Keep stirring it till it gets thick. Okay. I'm holding while in another hand, so it is quite difficult. Okay, let me do it first, and I'll show you in a few minutes. You can see it is getting thicker. You have to just get more, and okay, yes, it will be thick like this. You can use a spoon also instead of this. So let me do it. Actually, it is impossible to do with one hand. So you can see the consistency of it. So I have taken a spoon and smoothing the consistency of it. You will have to smooth it, okay, because after a few minutes staying on flame, you will see it is having lump all over in the vessel. So you have to smooth it for a few seconds, and it is ready to use. And if you think it is very thick, you can add a small amount of water to it. I think it is okay. Only thing to keep in mind is to see the consistency. And now you can transfer it, and it is possible bowl or any of the thing. You can put in plastic, or you can put in glass, anything you want. And see, our glue is ready to use. So I have pasted this paper with this glue, and it has stuck so well. And painted, I have used a darker, honey box, and painted it with fabric color, black fabric color, and yellow color. Okay. So isn't it looking so cute? Yes. Enjoy it, guys, and put it in your refrigerator, not in freezer. And whenever you want to use it, just take a spoon of it. And if you think it is thick, actually it is thick, so add hot water to it and mix it well, and you will see the consistency is okay to use. Thank you so much for watching it, and sorry for if there are some mistakes. I'm sorry. I'm new in making videos, so I'm a little bit nervous. Thank you so much. So you can see how thick it is. I'll add some water to it. Actually, I want to make some craft, so I'm going to use it and put little water, okay, and mix it, and mix it. Okay, wait. So see this, see the consistency. It is thin now, and it is ready to use. So I'll test on it one paper, okay. This is my first attempt, so I'll put it like this. Yeah, it is very difficult using one hand for all these things. See what happened. So I'll take it like this, okay, and I will try to paste it. We are testing this glue, how hard it is or adhesive it is. See this, it is very hard to open, and it worked. Mama ka nuska worked. See this, it's great, guys. Please use it for crafts. Okay, thank you so much.